I never thought I'd see a Ferrari like this. Forgotten, untouched, and silent.
This 2009 Ferrari 458 Italia once screamed on the road. Now it barely breathes.
Grandma couldn't drive anymore, so she let it go.
She sold me this Ferrari for only $700.
Everyone said it was crazy, but I saw potential. When I opened the engine bay, I knew this Ferrari had been asleep for a long time. This is a Ferrari 458 Italia engine, but it hasn't run in years.
Under all this dust, real Ferrari engineering is still here.
I tried starting it, but the Ferrari stayed silent.
At that moment, most people would walk away.
But I decided to bring this Ferrari back. This Ferrari hasn't seen daylight in years. It looks rough, but the soul is still there. Every part needs attention. Every detail matters.
To restore it properly, everything must come out. This Ferrari deserves a fresh start.
Now we can see the real condition. Before any restoration begins, the first step is cleaning years of neglect.
This Ferrari hasn't been washed in a very long time.
Layer by layer, the past starts washing away. There's still red hiding under all this grime.
The interior tells its own story.
Nothing is skipped, everything gets cleaned.
Years of sitting affects every part. These brakes haven't moved in years.
This oil has been sitting far too long.
Every Ferrari engine deserves respect.
This is where the strip down gets serious.
The cleaning is done. Now it's time to rebuild this Ferrari 458 Italia.
To restore this Ferrari 458 Italia, the engine comes out completely.
Every part is inspected by hand.
This engine hasn't been cleaned in years.
Ferrari engines demand patience.
Slow, precise, and careful.
Soon, this Ferrari will breathe again. Time affects every moving part.
Only quality parts go back in.
Stopping power matters just as much as speed.
This is where the past finally disappears.
Now we're starting fresh.
Every layer matters.
Perfection is in the details. The heart returns to its home.
Every connection is checked twice.
Luxury deserves to feel new again.
This Ferrari is starting to feel alive.
Systems coming back online.
This moment never gets old. The Ferrari 458 Italia lives again.
This is the moment that changes everything.
The color that defines Ferrari. Red.
Every pass has to be perfect.
This is not just paint, it's a rebirth.
This Ferrari looks brand new again. The clear coat protects everything underneath.
Patience makes perfection.
This shine doesn't happen by accident.
You can see the quality in every reflection.
The details bring the identity back.
Every piece returns to its place. Lighting up the future.
The stance changes instantly.
Back on its feet.
Luxury restored inside and out.
That sound says everything.
This is the Ferrari it was meant to be. Every angle tells a story. It looks fast, even standing still.
The transformation is complete. This is the moment I've been waiting for.
That sound, pure Ferrari.
Every rebuild has a heartbeat.
After all that work, it